Adding a bookmark in Chrome is very simple. You just go up to the URL bar and click on the star to the right-hand side of the Omni box, and that will automatically bookmark it for you. It gives it a name. You can change it to be whatever you want to. Like I'm going to change mine to Red Oak, and I can put it in. It lets me choose where I want it to be. It can be in the bookmarks bar. It can be in another folder. I can pick another folder. Right now, this is going to put it up in the bookmarks bar. So I'll just leave that there for now and say done. And that's going to add it to my bookmarks bar. If I can't see all my bookmarks, I can look here and you can see where I just added it up there. Now, if you click on all bookmarks over here on the right-hand side of your bar, that lets you see them all, but it's much easier to organize your bookmarks if you go up to Bookmarks in the Chrome menu, the Bookmarks Manager. And now I can search all of my bookmarks. So if I'm looking for a particular one, like maybe I want to find the Red Oak one, I can just search it and it'll take me right to it. Or I can also create a folder structure. So if I click on these three dots, that allows me to add a new folder, and I'll call it Test 2 since I've already got a test, and save it. So here's the folder I created. I can put it with all of my bookmarks, or I can add it to my bookmarks bar. So I'll just put it in my other bookmarks. You can see there's Test 2. And then I can drag these bookmarks over to the folder. It gives you an opportunity to organize them all and let them be exactly the way you want them to be.